I know it looks like a lot of rules. We want to check number of repeating decimals. We've got 0.2 repeating. That means we've got one repeating decimal. Set that to x. So we're going to do the 0.2 repeating is going to be x. So I've done step 2. Yay. I'll multiply 10 to the power of the number of repeating decimals. Okay, so I've got one repeating decimal. That means I'm going to multiply both sides by 10 to the first, or just otherwise known as 10. So I'm going to multiply it by 10. Now look, if I'd had 3 decimals repeating or 3 digits repeating, I would have raised each power 10 to the third. That's what I mean by that third rule there. Okay, I'm going to multiply out. So that's going to be 10 times 0.2 repeating will be 2.2 repeating. On the right-hand side, x times 10 is 10x. Next step, subtract original x value. Oh, that sounds a little funky. I'm going to do that in blue. That's going to be minus 0.2 repeating. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to subtract the x value, because on the left, I'm going to do the numbers. The right, I'm going to do the x's. Okay, I did that. I subtract the original x value. Yeah, check off that. Divide by coefficient. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, I have 10x minus x. That's going to be 9x on the right-hand side. Oh, the cool thing on the left-hand side, guess what? These repeating decimals cancel out. Yay! So that's just 2 on the left-hand side. So dividing by coefficient, that's going to be 9 in this case. I'm going to divide both sides by 9. And then I have 2/9 equals x. And oh, that is lowest terms. I guess I'm done. That's awesome. I'll do a more complicated example next.